Alright, welcome back for another episode of Unique Cut. I'm your host, Christian. I'm on my way to work now. I got another time lapse for you guys. So my boy Eric, he gets a low skin fade with some scissor work up top, shear work up top. Nice crisp beard. I put the beard products in his beard too. Makes it look all nice and good. Gets it all nice and moisturized and stuff. Yeah. Sorry about that. Leaving my complex now. But yeah, so it's gonna be a time lapse. I think this week I'm gonna do a tutorial sometime. I'm gonna try to hit up some other barbers too this week. Try to get some interviews, because that was the whole basis of the show. So I'll let you guys know, and thank you again. Stay tuned, pay attention. See you in a little bit. Alright, so I just pulled up at work. It's early, I gotta go set up. Again, I'm gonna show you guys Eric's haircut. And yeah. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, so you guys got to see Eric's haircut. Just another haircut. Fresh haircut. Just another haircut on Unique Cut though. Yeah. Probably gonna drop more of these more often. Like I said, I'm probably gonna do a tutorial this week. I'm off for the next 2 days, so you won't see me for 2 days at least. And yeah, thank you again, Eric, for letting me record you. Thank you again, my subscribers, for helping me get this far. And yeah, you got the usual: like, subscribe, share, and then I'll see you guys next time for another episode of Unique Cut.